my dear friends, my dear masters, my dear gods. This is Parinitha Patri, and you must be wondering where am I right now. This is OMKARESHWARA, which is situated near Srisailam, my dear friends. And I would like to talk a little bit about this wonderful place called OMKARESHWARA. It's in the shape of Om, my dear friends, and it's situated in such a wonderful place, and you can see the hills behind me, the beautiful nature behind me, and you can see the pyramids that are in the shape of this Om. There are 18 pyramids, my dear friends, and all of them are built in the ratio of 18 by 18. And this entire premises is in a campus of 2.5 acres, my dear friends. So many people come and visit here. The devotees of Shiva also come and visit here, and it is called as OMKARESHWARA. And one more important thing about these 18 pyramids is that throughout India there are 18 Shakti Pithas, 18 energy centers, my dear friends, and each of these pyramids is named after those 18 Shakti Pithas, my dear friends. And that is one of the most and wonderful fact about the OMKARESHWARA pyramids, my dear friends. And there's a great history to it also. Patriji was once looking for a place to conduct Dhyanama Chakram or Dhyanama Yagnam, as you want to say, on Srisailam. And in that aspect, he has asked 3 masters from Mehboob to come and suggest, where can I find a place? The search for this place started in August, as Patriji wanted to conduct Dhyanama Yagnam in Srisailam or around Srisailam. So after searching for so many months, and they finally got to locate this place in November 2009, my dear friends. And this place is in just middle of Kartal and Srisailam, my dear friends. Whoever wants to visit OMKARESHWARA can come from Srisailam or can come from Kartal also. OMKARESHWARA is 80 kilometers away from Srisailam, my dear friends. And from Kartal, it is 55 kilometers. So anyone who wants to seek spirituality, who wants to sit in pyramids, who wants to seek a beautiful place, a wonderful place filled with nature, you are welcomed here with utmost love to this beautiful place, my dear friends. And I invite each and every one of you, all of the spiritual seekers, to come and visit this OMKARESHWARA pyramid at least once. And my dear friends, do you want to know from where Patriji saw this place? As you can see behind me, on that hill, there's a small house, kind of a place over there, where the vehicles are moving. That's a viewpoint. As you can see, that's a viewpoint over there. The small place where it's cemented, it's concrete, that's the viewpoint. So from that viewpoint, Patriji saw this place and finalized that this is going to be the place for OMKARESHWARA. When Patriji saw this particular place from that viewpoint, just wanted to tell you what he told everyone that he saw over here. He saw many munis, or how we say saints, sages, meditating in this place together. When he saw this vision, that is when he decided that this is going to be the place for OMKARESHWARA pyramids to be constructed. And not only that, this is the hub where people, whoever want to go from Karnataka has to come from this way only. Whoever has to go from Telangana has to go from this way only, and even from Maharashtra. So that is how Patriji has located this place, just by looking from that viewpoint, my dear friends. Isn't that amazing? This pyramid's construction started the inauguration or the Bhumi Puja, as they call, started in 2010 June, my dear friends. And when someone asked, Patriji, how many days will it take for us to complete all these days, all these pyramids? Then Patriji said, within 3 years it will be complete. So then it was definitely completed on 12th December 2012. And on that day, we inaugurated this place for the entire public to come and visit and sit and meditation in this place, in these pyramids. And from then onwards, there was no turning back. The OMKARESHWARA trustees have worked hard, stood together, my dear friends, in developing OMKARESHWARA. Why? For the entire humanity. For all of them to come and meditate here, to relax and enjoy nature. And for them, we have the dormitories, the Annadanam, the kitchen, the dining area, the meeting hall have been constructed. And continuously, there is Annadanam. So people, whoever are spiritual seekers, meditators, pyramid masters, everyone can come and visit this place, this wonderful place called OMKARESHWARA. And when you see this place from above, there on a, if you are in a helicopter, or then you can actually see the Om shape pyramids, my dear friends. You can find such kind of pyramids nowhere in this world. Nowhere, absolutely. And Srisailam is a place of Shiva. It's an abode for Shiva, the Lord Shiva. And here, across this place, there is a forest called Nallamala forest. It's surrounded by beautiful forests, my dear friends. Such a lustrous place, such a beautiful place. One must not forget to visit. So this is a place where Patriji saw sages, saints meditating here. So I invite you once again to come and visit this place, to meditate with us. Soon there are going to be beautiful programs being conducted here in OMKARESHWARA, workshops, retreat programs, and so many other programs are going to come up. Don't miss this chance to come and visit this place, my dear friends. That's all for now. Thank you very much. Namaste.